Hey everyone, I think you're here because you need a new robot vacuum, right? Well, we've got the 5 best robot vacuums for you in this video. Find the product links in the description below. Let's start. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the ultimate robot vacuum cleaner, combining cutting-edge features for a truly exceptional cleaning experience. At the heart of its excellence is the CleanBase automatic dirt disposal system, a game-changer in convenience. This innovative feature empties the dustbin automatically, holding up to 30 bins of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for manual maintenance for up to 60 days. The Roomba S9 Plus boasts a remarkable 3-stage cleaning system, delivering an impressive 40 times more suction power compared to the Roomba 600 series. It excels in removing deep-seated debris and pet hair from your carpets, aided by the Power Boost technology for those demanding cleaning tasks. For those hard-to-reach spots, the Roomba S9 Plus features perfect edge technology. Advanced sensors and a specially designed corner brush ensure that corners and edges receive thorough attention. Additionally, its 30% wider dual rubber brushes are effective in preventing pet hair from tangling, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. But the Roomba S9 Plus isn't just powerful, it's exceptionally smart. Guided by VSLAM navigation, it learns your home's layout, creating personalized smart maps for efficient and precise cleaning. When its battery runs low, it autonomously recharges and resumes cleaning, ensuring every area is spotless. An exciting feature is its seamless integration with voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. With a simple voice command, such as Roomba, clean under the kitchen table, it responds instantly, addressing messes as they occur. To add to its intelligence, the Roomba S9 Plus includes careful drive mode, using 3D sensor technology to detect objects in its path, avoiding disruptions. In summary, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus redefines the 2023 robot vacuum experience with its powerful suction, automatic dirt disposal, and intelligent navigation. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus redefines the robot vacuum experience with a range of innovative features designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. One of its standout features is precision vision navigation, which enables the Roomba J7 Plus to identify and avoid obstacles such as pet waste and charging cords. It even sends you photos of these hazards, keeping you informed about your home's condition. This vacuum offers a self-emptying system, automatically depositing dirt into the CleanBase automatic dirt disposal with an enclosed bag. This means no mess or cloud of dust when emptying the vacuum, making maintenance a breeze. With Alexa integration, you can command Roomba to clean specific spots using the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. It ensures a spotless home with minimal effort. The Roomba J7 Plus boasts 10x powerlifting suction, thanks to dual multi-surface rubber brushes that effectively pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. This powerful suction provides a deep and thorough clean. Smart Recharge and Resume is another useful feature, allowing the robot to intelligently recharge as needed to complete the cleaning job. This minimizes disruption and maximizes efficiency. Powered by iRobot OS, the Roomba J7 Plus offers an intuitive cleaning experience tailored to your preferences. It can also utilize geolocation services on your phone to adjust cleaning schedules when you're away, ensuring a clean home upon your return. Reactive sensor technology prevents the Roomba J7 Plus from getting stuck, and its Dirt Detect feature focuses on the dirtier areas of your home. The Roomba J7 Plus uses a CleanBase automatic dirt disposal system with an enclosed bag that captures particles as small as 0.7 microns, ensuring there's no mess or cloud of dust when you empty it. In summary, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is a powerful, intelligent, and convenient robot vacuum that adapts to your cleaning needs and ensures your home remains spotless without hassle. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, why not hit that subscribe button? We greatly appreciate your support and will keep delivering excellent tech reviews. Roaro Q5 Plus. The Roaro Q5 Plus sets a new standard in robot vacuum cleaning, offering an exceptional hands-free cleaning experience that's hard to match. With innovative features and powerful performance, it's designed to make your home spotless without the hassle. One of the standout features of the Q5 Plus is the self-empty dock, which automatically empties the vacuum's dustbin after each cleaning session. With a 2.5-liter dust bag capacity, it can hold up to 7 weeks' worth of dirt, sparing you from frequent manual emptying. The Q5 Plus employs PreciSense LiDAR navigation, providing extremely accurate mapping, even viewable in 3D. You can even add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually, allowing for more precise cleaning. The vacuum features a robust 2,700 pascals maximum suction power that effortlessly lifts debris and pet hair from floors, deep within carpets. This power ensures thorough cleaning throughout your home. A multi-plane floating main brush keeps the brush close to the ground for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. It's highly resistant to hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. Thanks to its high-capacity battery and a 470 milliliters dustbin, the Q5 Plus can clean continuously for up to 180 minutes, offering a maximum cleaning range of 3,230 scuft in quiet mode. This means it can tackle most homes in one cleaning cycle. With multi-level mapping, you can map up to 4 levels, and the robot will automatically recognize the level it's on, simplifying operation. You don't need additional docks for this feature. The Q5 Plus also offers no-go zones and invisible walls to control where the robot goes. Each level in your home can have up to 10 no-go zones and 10 invisible walls, giving you fine-tuned control over the cleaning process. Additionally, it has room-to-room travel capabilities, even overcoming thresholds of up to 2 centimeters, ensuring every room in your house is thoroughly cleaned. Despite its powerful performance, the Q5 Plus is designed for quiet operation. Advanced airflow management and robust sound control minimize noise without compromising on cleaning power. In summary, the Roaro Q5 Plus is a cutting-edge robot vacuum that offers powerful, efficient, and precise cleaning with features like self-empty dock, LiDAR navigation, and no-go zones. iRobot Roomba i4 Evo. The iRobot Roomba i4 Evo is an advanced robot vacuum designed for efficient and personalized cleaning. It boasts a 20% larger battery compared to other Roomba i-Series robot vacuums, providing extended runtime for more effective coverage. The Roomba i4 Evo offers imprint smart mapping technology, enabling it to learn and personalize cleaning routines. You can direct it to clean any room at any time, whether on a schedule or instantly, making it a flexible and adaptable cleaning solution. With a powerful 3-stage cleaning system, this vacuum excels at pulling in dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces, ensuring a thorough and deep clean. This intelligent cleaner moves in straight lines, efficiently navigating around furniture and obstacles, delivering precise and effective cleaning. iRobot's patented Dirt Detect technology equips the Roomba i4 Evo to identify dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly, leaving no speck of dirt behind. For pet owners, this vacuum uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adapt to different floor types and effectively prevent pet hair tangles, making it an ideal choice. The Roomba i4 Evo learns your cleaning habits and can offer suggestions, including extra cleanings during peak pollen or shedding seasons, ensuring your home stays spotless year-round. With compatibility with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, you can effortlessly start cleaning one room or every room with simple voice commands, adding convenience to your cleaning routine. The iRobot Home app provides time estimates for cleaning jobs, helping you plan your cleaning routine effectively, whether it's a single room or your entire home. This robot vacuum offers a battery life of up to 75 minutes, providing a decent cleaning range for most homes in one session. In summary, the iRobot Roomba i4 Evo is an intelligent, efficient, and customizable robot vacuum that adapts to your needs, ensuring your home stays spotless without hassle. iRobot Roomba 692. The iRobot Roomba 692 is an intelligent and efficient robot vacuum that simplifies your cleaning routine with its sleek design, advanced features, and compatibility with voice assistants. This smart cleaner operates with a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes that effectively grab dirt from both carpets and hard floors. Additionally, an edge-sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges, leaving no area untouched. The Roomba 692 can be scheduled to clean daily through the iRobot Home app or voice commands via Google Assistant and Alexa. It adapts to your cleaning habits and can even suggest extra cleanings during high pollen seasons or pet shedding periods. Its adaptive navigation, equipped with a suite of advanced sensors, allows the Roomba to maneuver around furniture and along edges while avoiding falls with Cliff Detect technology. Dirt Detect sensors alert the robot to dirtier areas in your home, such as high traffic spots, prompting it to clean them more thoroughly. It ensures a comprehensive clean tailored to your unique home. This versatile vacuum effortlessly tackles both carpets and hard floors, thanks to its auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts its height for effective cleaning on different surfaces. The Roomba 692 offers a runtime of up to 90 minutes, ensuring it thoroughly cleans your home before automatically docking and recharging. In summary, the iRobot Roomba 692 is an intelligent and efficient cleaning companion that adapts to your needs, offering a personalized and thorough daily clean. Before we conclude our robot vacuum journey, we hope you've discovered the ideal cleaning assistant for your home. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you found this video valuable, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.